is up, guys? So I've been riding around town trying to see what the best way to record with my GoPro was. This was off of the top of my helmet, and I kind of don't like how it looks. Um, Everything looks like you can't really see my hands in the controls as much. And whenever I'm driving, the wind draft is actually pretty damn bad. And as soon as I turn sideways or turn my head a bit, like my head literally kicks back. So I'm trying to look for an actual chin mount so it can look better and not angled down, and it'll be more of what I see. But anyways, like I said, I'm just riding around town and this is what I got so far. I don't have a microphone attached to my GoPro, being as it's on top of my head and not on my chin, and I can't run a mic going from the top to my mouth. So this is actually a voiceover. I'm working on getting all set up, getting a good setup so I'd be able to ride and talk at the same time. And what's up again? You can see me there. What was I gonna say? I do have an actual chin mount that I just bought, but it's kind of sketchy because my helmet has a ridge on the side, and when I placed the 3M adhesive tape, it's not catching all of it. It's like 80% to like 75% actually onto the helmet, and I'm afraid that if I'm like riding or something, or I turn my head or something, like it's gonna fly off. Cause this thing picks up quick, it drives nicely. I love the bike so far. Like, it's very different from my Vulcan 900, I'll tell you that. It covers ground quickly, it maneuvers easily. It's a badass bike. It's a badass bike. But like I'm saying, I kind of don't trust that mount. I did ride it a little bit. I did ride around with it a little bit, but it's still it's just kind of weird. I found another one, but I haven't pulled the trigger on purchasing it yet because I just got this one, so I kind of want to try the other one before getting another one. So y'all bear with me. I would say this is about my second week with the bike, third week. This footage here is a little bit older. But yeah, like I've had the bike for a little bit now, and like I said, I'm really enjoying it. I really love it. It's just different. It's a different bike. It picks up quicker. Like I said, it moves easily. Like, it's just fun. It's a fun bike. Later on, I'm gonna make a video like I said, talking about the dash and like my 1 week review or what I think or whatever. But yeah, I'm just enjoying the bike right now and hoping it doesn't rain, because the first few days that I got it, actually when I stepped out of the dealership, it was raining. It was about to start raining, so I had to drive it back in the rain, and I was not equipped for that. I was literally riding around with no helmet, and raindrops hurt. If you've ridden in the rain without a helmet or any kind of gear, you know that raindrops stink. But yeah, I had to drive it back without any kind of gear, like I said, and yeah, I didn't really get to ride it that much. So the first week was kind of okay because I only rode it like a day or two, and now that it's been sunny lately, and even if it's a little cloudy, you can still ride because it hasn't been raining. I've had a lot more time to actually ride, and it's been fun. It's been real fun. This bridge coming up here up ahead is kind of scary to me because every time, even when I'm on a car, it kind of scares me because when you're driving through it, it's only one way in, one way out, and I don't know, I don't know, it just feels like there's a lot of people that are not careful when they drive, so this is kind of scary. But other than that, the scenery looks really nice, and it's been raining, like I said, and Like everything just got all green and just blossomed. So it looks pretty cool right now. Right here on this little turn, we are re-entering the freeway. And I don't know if you guys can see that tree on that right corner. We're about to get closer to it. But that tree is special to me and my wife because that's where I asked her to be my girlfriend. It was on May 31st, and that's basically when we got together, like boyfriend and girlfriend. But we still celebrate that day, and we also celebrate our actual wedding day, which is November 10th. So we celebrate both. Then I pulled up to the bridge, and these pelicans look a lot farther on here, but when I was actually driving, they look really close. The GoPro tends to like zoom out, which is good because you can get the whole perspective. But look at how beautiful this day was. Like the water looked nice. It was just clear skies, everything. It was a badass day, sunny. So I decided to pull over and take a few pictures of the bike on the bridge and get the background. It looks pretty badass, and just to take a peek down so you guys can see what I was looking at.